29,000 pesos per month, 106 square meters, 2-bedroom condo unit in BGC area. Yes, that's right. For as low as 29,000 pesos per month ay pwede ka na mag-start na mag-invest sa condo unit kagaya nito. Semi-furnished, smart home ready, complete sanitary fixtures, merong balcony and pet friendly, that's why it's very perfect for every family. Ang mas maganda pa dito, allowed siyang iparent or Airbnb, that's why yung rental income ay pwede nyong gamitin for your monthly payment. Only 6.5 kilometers away from NAIA and 5 minutes drive away from St. Luke's. Also accessible from C5 and EDSA at napakadaming future and current developments around the area na makakatulong para mag-increase yung value. Merong 2 towers na ready for turnover next year, however, sobrang limited na ng units. That's why I suggest that you send me a direct message para matulungan ko kayong mag-secure ng unit. So, if you're interested sa pre-selling condo dito sa BGC,